Hey Britain, what's the weather today? I'm so sad to know that you have got no window at your home, sir. Shut up, you limey. Just tell me the fucking weather, man. It's a lovely day. What about going for a picnic, sir? Holy shit, it's raining. Hey Japan, how far is it from here to the nearest McDonald's?
Yes, my lord. The nearest McDonald is 7 kilometers from here.
I don't understand the metric system, bro.
It's about 4.35 miles, my lord. By the way, what about going to a cafe instead, where cute girls with cat ears serve you?
What the? Hey,